Hello, crafty friends. Amanda here with Crafting with Amanda. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And hopefully you get a minute with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or hot cocoa and get a chance to sit down and take a look at the beautiful images and new papers that are coming out. So here we are right at the Are We There Yet papers. As you can see, there are so many beautiful colors, and I love that the tones of them are more of the muted shades, because I think in our photography these days, these are the colors that work with our photos naturally, with our denims and our jean jackets, and just the normal or the brighter colors just don't seem to work with my photos as well as these do. So I'm very excited about this. Now, as you're looking at these papers, I want to remind you that the colors that are in this Are We There Yet kit are papaya, bluebird, sapphire, glacier, sage, honey butter, toffee, linen, and white daisy. And this is the scrapbook workshop. You can see that it has the rubber shapes in the suitcases that are included with the scrapbook workshop. And then the card kit includes the die cuts that have the stitched luggage and those two little tags there. So these workshops make it so easy to go ahead and get some projects done. Our second paper pack in this new idea book is called Storybook, and it has melon, mulberry, mist, seabrook, sage, honey butter, paprika, pewter, and black. And it features this great little dragon. I just absolutely love him or her. I think it's very cute. So looking at all the accessories that come in, you have the digital collection in the upper right corner, and then the die cuts there in the black. These papers have some coloring opportunities. If you have grandchildren, I could just see them getting a kick out of coloring in some of these images. Again, some cute stamp sets with thin cuts that they offer. Anything that you see that's grayed or out, remember that that has a thin cut that matches that shape. And now we get to take a look at this workshop, and notice that they put together two different versions. So page 1, you can do either the top version with the melon highlighted or the bottom version with that mist. And they've done the same with the others as well. Jumping ahead to the card making workshop. See what I did there? Cute little frog jumping ahead. Wink and a nod. And this is, I think, my favorite paper pack is Life's a Hoot. It comes with flamingo, grape, wisteria, periwinkle, sapphire, lagoon, glacier, honey butter, nectarine, white daisy, and black. And it features this cute owl, or these cute owls, I should say. And you can see owls and butterfly in that upper digital collection. The die cuts are also there, the embellishments with all the words. And this paper has gold foil in it. It's included. It's reflective. It's there. It's not just in the stamp sets, but also in the paper itself. I absolutely love this. I've seen this in person, and I love it. The first stamp set that I ordered is here on the left-hand page. I think that this is just going to have so many uses for some background noise and some fun interest behind photos to help draw your eye on scrapbook pages. So this is the Life's a Hoot card making stamp set, but I think I'm going to use it in scrapbooking. Again, here is the workshop for this Life's a Hoot scrapbooking, and you can see all the diverse colors, and they're using a lot of circles and patterns, and it just makes scrapbooking easy. These cards are lovely. Again, the thin cut has the loop-de-loops in it, so I think that again would be a great addition to so many projects. And as always, we have this great mix in papers that work with the paper packs that are in the book. So we have stripes and scallops and circles and dots and stitch lines and just a whole variety for everybody. And on this page, I can't wait to see that pig. I have a friend whose grandchildren show pigs at the fair, and if that's a stamp, I have a feeling that she's going to be ordering that, and as well as I am too. So here again we have some flowers and some March themed things. We have some gnomes with some cute lambs and Easter bunnies and cute little chicks. All of those would work on cards as they're shown here or tucked in on scrapbook pages. Then this is kind of more the somber side of Life's a Hoot. So it gives you just a whole different feel of that paper pack than the owls bring out. Oh, there's our piggy stamp set. I'm so excited. Again, we have a rabbit and a chick as well as a watering can. There's just so much in this idea book to take it all in. If you want to slow this down, remember that YouTube has a feature that the playback speed is normally set at normal, and you can change that. If you do like 0.75, it'll slow it down 25%, or you can speed it up and go through it faster if you want to just do a quick run through all of them. But we have some planets, we have some motorcycles. I don't know if you caught while I was doing the plug all of the travel themed M-size stamp sets in there. We have some chocolate and a llama and a bear for happy birthday card or layout. So many great colors. Inspiration as far as what color combinations to use. I love that Close to My Heart has that. These conversation heart stamps, oh, so many cool uses for that. Stick them inside of some shakers or make some pockets. I could see this totally being cool. And then we have our patterns with our Happy Mail seals. I send a lot of cards, so I actually want to send more, but I think these would be a great addition to the envelopes. I do like to stamp my envelopes. Now we have our stamps of the month. The January one is our outdoor woodland critters. February is our borders with that picket fence and rainbow and umbrellas and boots and butterflies, lions and tigers and bears. And our last stamp of the month for March is the cute koala and kangaroo and hedgehog and all the wonderful sayings. Any day spent with you is a favorite day. And if you haven't ordered the Operation Smile stamp set, I will remind you that this is a great stamp set. $7 of every purchase goes towards Operation Smile, where they fix cleft palates for that of kids around the world. Thanks for stopping by. This is how you can connect with me on social media. If you're a subscriber of mine already, thank you so much. Otherwise, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe, or at least hit that like button on this video. That's one way that you can help out any of the channels that you enjoy watching and support them. Here's another video you may be interested in. Have a great day.